Hey, this is PJ with CLKsupplies, and this right here is a metal dust cover for camlocks. As you can see with the hole pattern here, it's just going to fit your standard camlock that is flat on two sides like this one is. You can see the threads and you can see it's flat there and it's flat there. Now, in a lot of applications for camlocks, especially outdoor use, you're going to find ones that don't have a little dust shutter on them, or even the ones that have the dust shutter on them, they're easily, from a key going in and out a lot, they're like halfway open or a little bit open. And what happens is these wafers in here get really gummed up. They get corroded from all the weather, and it makes it almost impossible to use a key in them, right? You'll go to, I think we've all been in a situation where you go to stick a key in it and it won't even go all the way in. Then when you can finally get it all the way in, it's not going to turn, and that's just because those wafers are just really messed up. So a way to prevent that is to install one of these metal dust covers over it. They're really quick and easy to install. What you're going to want to do is take the camlock off the door, and you're going to open this up. You're going to stick the camlock in like that. As you can see, it's actually really low profile. So as long as you have some clearance above where the camlock sits for this mechanism here, then it'll be just a real easy application for you to install. So just go ahead and put that on there, and then you'll want to screw the nut back, the existing nut on the back of the cylinder, and then there you go. You have a nice dust cover that's going to help keep all of the moisture and grime outside of the lock and keep it in good working order. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.